Hello and welcome. This is a quick setup guide to VirtualScan, a remote scanning application. We are starting from the server, and here are the installation files. On the server, we need to install the driver and the VirtualScan server. We'll start with the server. And here it goes. It is asking for a license key, which we will place in by default in this location. It's a bin file. Click on Browse. Click OK. And the server is installed. Go to the driver. And it's always good to exit the server, log off, and log back on. And while we log off, let's install the host, which goes on the client computer that connects to the RDP session. There are two ways to connect. You can connect via the server IP, or you can use a virtual channel, which is kind of a piggyback over RDP. Finish. There is a 64 and 32-bit version. I have a 64-bit system, so I will use this. And we'll click on Show. It's not connected yet because we haven't logged into our RDP session, so let's go ahead and do that. And here's the script that places the virtual driver in the proper files. And now if we go into the UI, which is only seen by the administrator, we will actually see my user, where the host is, and all the available scanners that I have. Currently only one is attached. In order to see if it scans, we must bring up a scanning application. We'll bring up our InfoScan application, and we will also go to the settings, and you can select a remote scanner. You can either do your settings over here, which we'll do right now, grayscale 200, batch scan if it's an FDX. But it'll also work in the background, as I'll show you right now. And let's just go ahead and perform a scan. This is the host. Very quick scan. And there is the image, which is also saved on the terminal server as image 19. Again, this can be refined, etc. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.